Coming up to East Main and North. What is this?
This is North. No.
6? No, 6?
6.
No crossing the bridge. Can't see no water.
Nope.
Still can't cross, so it must be flooded in Bunker Hill. Can you see over there, babe? Wait, stay there, y'all. This is Bunker Hill, East Main Streets. Look like we got something stuck down there.
Soon traffic stop again, y'all can come over, okay? Y'all want to see it? Stay there. Think that bus gonna work?
Yep, ain't nobody even in there. They must have got stuck a while ago. Wow, it's coming through quick. River.
Two home games are giving up against Orlando overseas again. Sure.
I'm surprised you're on it.
What was that?
That Bunker Hill sign there, they got to be at least right there about 5 or 6 feet. This hill goes way down. Think we're gonna be able to walk down East Main? It look like on that side you can get over there, right?
Yeah, I should be able to.
Yeah, you got it.
Look at the pretty rock. That's good one, okay.
I hope that's rock.
Can we go across the bridge?
They're making us get off the bridge.
Come on, come on.
Come on.
Now we got to cross over y'all on the other side. Ain't no sidewalk over here, is it?
The light red?
Is that on your? I wonder what happens if you see somebody in it. Well, they search it. That would be the
August 29th, 2 days after Hurricane Irene.
I know how to float.
Hmm?
That's gonna be water ill. So I'm gonna be the one after it all goes away. I don't know how it will, but it will.
They rescuing people?
Pulling people out.
Wow. Now, now, guys, yesterday, this is the same street, and I'll put a clip in yesterday what it looked like compared to today.
further down you go, just straight downhill. So back there, that's right, River Heights. That's probably where that last pole that we can see with that white sign at, probably 10 feet of water. That goes way down there. Come on, baby.
This?
I told you, Mommy.
See?
Oh no, we can go right here, y'all. Look, that's right here too. Boom.
Ah, I can't see.
That's crazy. Come on, y'all, we gotta hook the corner and go up. We cross the street.
Wow.
Man, don't tell me that was you. Back.
I'm so I don't live down here, nigga. I want out.
This is where we was at yesterday, y'all. Now you gotta come out on boats.
I'm alright. Excuse me. For dispatch. They're all fire.
On the first floor.
What's your number?
72, 74. My sister's already gone with the kids, but my mom is on the first floor.
Where my sister at? We're bringing everybody over here. This is where our gear is. Hey, Joyce, this ain't a water taxi. We left 2 days ago.
I left 2 days.
My mom and stepfather. I think they're still there.
Are they there?
I think they're still there because my sister told me that they were still in the house. It's on the side. It will be right to the driveway.
Mom, you saw down that street? You saw down that street?
Yeah, film down there. We're gonna go over there.
Their door is right there on the side.
It's getting higher too.
That would have been a good thing.
All right, man, I talk to you. All right.
Tell me over. Why is he up there with no wetsuit on?
Let's see where they going.
Who was looking for this building right here? 157, guys. 157 North Main.
We're 157 that big. In the middle of the block. That got one down here, all the way down there. Let me see what he doing. Look like he in the water. Oh, he getting somebody out right there.
What number? 76, right here. Access is on the east side.
Oh, he almost fell in. She don't want to come up out that house. Come up out of there.
They would have to.
Back up, y'all. It's coming in. Man.
That's why they're all here. They're trying to fight.
Oh, we on the hill.
Where does all the water come from?
Here it goes.
No, I want to hear what they're going to say.
Excuse me, Mama.
Daddy?
Yes.
We're staying with them.
Or it's like on the other side of the building now.
Well, this shit right here, this shit high as hell.
What?
Look at the gate. I put my phone in my pocket, bro.
I just
not this
push pull below.
Oh, the dude. There you go.
Got him.
I want to see a fish.
Here, Teresa. I can't even hear you.
We got somebody coming out now, man.
A lot of people.
Ooh, look at the water jug. They taking them back that way.
Can't see. Can't see it.
Now they coming back
I
this
see
way.
somebody down there.
Where?
Down there.
Way down there? Oh, yeah, what is he doing?
What? What?
Come here, man. Little kid, right?
I don't think that's a kid though. I know it wasn't. She's by herself.
After they get rescued, they go into a shelter, right?
Mm-hmm.
They walk to the shelter or they bring them to the shelter?
Yep, 2 kids by themselves.
Hey, think I'll be able to drive around this corner here or not? Huh? Think I'll be able to drive through this around this corner or not? Yeah.
Drops right here, though.
So what?
Right here, it's going to drop into this corner.
All right.
74 Jasper Union and total.
Let's swing it out toward the middle.
If you go right on top of the sidewalk, cut it hard right in here. Stick it close to this sign right here.
Maybe I'll just back out.
Mm-hmm. By themselves.
I think I'm going back up to here.
It would have been good if they would have put it in slow motion. Then it would have been like.
He wants to piggyback right
Because they meet me. I said
Where? Yeah. See, me and mommy recorded. When I started recording, we was
Oh, they got her.
It wasn't like this. Just this morning.
She decided to come out.
Where the glass go? Oh, okay, never mind. Where's it? Thank you.
They got her. They got her.
Got with the. Boy, get your butt out the house, Mom.
Get out the house.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Oh, there go the clothes.
Bring them right here.
Wow, this came up fast.
You left, baby?
Where mommy?
It's gonna get higher.
6 o'clock, we ain't doing anymore. We're stopping at 6 o'clock. They will not, it's a mandatory evacuation. They will not risk first responders' lives. People who wouldn't go. We ain't coming back.
Not wearing a suit.
Somebody gotta go again.
But they'll probably go to the second floor.
Now wave. They can see y'all. Wave together. Channel.
I got my kids.
It's white and blue. They're yellow and black.
Wow, you on this side of the water, you stuck. You on that side of the water, you stuck.
That's where all our first responders are. Wow. It's emergency help here.
Ducking the camera like you the police. Mass care response. Wow, we're getting some great footage.
Wow, it's going all the way across too. Is that the mayor and stuff over there? See if I can get it close to the other side. That's where we went down yesterday.
Badass. Get my rod in the water.
Down there where we went through yesterday. This about to flood out again. Look at the water.
How much coming up? Look how much.
She kept saying the kids. Must have left her kids in the house too.
Maybe that was her kids that was brought out on the other side.
Oh, this about to get higher.
They backing up and getting out.
Damn. That is the mayor. Got the mayor, y'all. Right there with the hat on.
Something about this water, mayor.
He's shutting down the move.
That water coming up this aisle, man.
They got them houses up quick too.
Didn't they? Look, already got siding on the one that's burnt too. Just a little bit going up the side. Not a lot in there. All of it.
Want to walk down the main?
So what the heck them people doing in the middle?
That's
Another
going towards the
out.
bridge, the Heldonap Bridge. Another rescue.
Nope, not a rescue. They just packing up.
They gotta be exhausted.
Got a nice all the way down the main.